current update of EEPROM programmer for store 255 or FF 32 kilobytes. Okay, 32 kilobytes of FF. We'll connect to the run over the air EEPROM programmer. Let's refresh this. If I read the contents, which will show up on here, that's what's currently on the EEPROM. Right, so there's test data I've put beforehand, and also this was data for testing page writing. So I'll upload this new file. Oh, this is just going to choose upload. Uploaded. Now I can write that. This is just to confirm what was at the end. So now the whole lot is FF, even the vectors at the very end. Okay, and if I read that, I'll show the exactly same thing. If I change this, it's going to have EA, which is a NOP instruction. Set load the accumulator A to register with 42 hex, and then store at this address the value that was in A. And this is the reset vector. So when the 6502 microprocessor starts, it goes to this address to grab what address the execution should start. So this here will actually make it jump to the start. Right, so I'll save that. Write it. As you can see, it's written 32 bytes of data, all EAs, until the reset vector at the end there. So again, I can go in here, upload that file. Drag and drop's not working yet. Upload, so I can see the outputs and write it. Now, interesting is originally I was writing byte by byte, and it would take 12 minutes to write 32 kilobytes. And of course it was writing out to the console every single byte. So I reduced that. It was being 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes. Since it takes 10 milliseconds for a write to occur, 32 kilobytes times the 10 milliseconds equates to just over 5 minutes. And so I went to look into how to do it by paging. You can actually write up to 64 bytes at a time. So I did the code for that, and now in here it is, 8 seconds. So you can write the 32 kilobytes in 8 seconds now, as you just saw. And again, if I read the EEPROM, it's showing these are the first 256 kilobytes, and these are at the end of the memory space is the vectors. So there's the reset vector there, which is 1 and a whole bunch of zeros, which will make it actually start reading up here if you wire up the correctly. So that's at this stage.